Hi everybody, thanks for joining. I want to do a video today about really creating what I call a growth mindset. A growth mindset in your classroom. It is a game changer. But before I tell you how, I want to tell you why it's so critical. When you ask most employers when students graduate from high school, what is the one gripe you have? They will not tell you that it isn't that they can't memorize the states or the capitals of the United States of America. Or no one is saying because they don't know the quadratic equation, I know every math teacher, don't freak out. Or no one is saying because they cannot quote the content of something. No one. No employer is saying that. None. Yet, that's what we spend so much time in school doing. You want to make a difference in education, you have to teach kids to think. Here's what employers say. Do you know the top two things that employers say that they are frustrated about when students graduate from high school? Two things. Number one, they cannot problem solve. And number two, they don't have the grit to figure it out on their own. Rather, they're literally either paralyzed and quit doing it, or they constantly go to a boss. You know, okay, I put an A down, do you want me to write B? And now I wrote a B, do you want me to write C? Can you imagine being the employer? I'm so thankful that the consultants that work for me, while I provide them a good framework of what we do, they figure it out. They figure it out. So, creating a growth mindset in your classroom is more important than any skill you will teach students. It's a game changer for who they will be. From littles to especially those getting ready to leave the high school. Having students figure it out on their own. And I'm going to do a few videos about how you do that. Because I know some of you are watching this video right now and you're saying to yourself, oh, I know that, Kath. I know my kids don't think. But you know probably the number one reason that they don't? You don't have a growth mindset yourself. You too look for the quick fix. We live in a world where Google is at our hand, where I don't have to think about anything. All I have to do is look it up. Relationships are falling apart today because we don't know how to problem solve them. Our answer is just quit. Friendships fall apart every day because we don't want to do the hard work that it takes to get to the other side. And then we wonder why our students are emulating that. So I'm going to do a few future videos about some tips, kind of what I'm going to call tips and strategies of how to really develop that in your school. But my question that I want to leave you is this. Do you believe that creating a growth mindset is important? The secondary question to that is, do you have a growth mindset yourself? If you don't, that's where the problem starts. But if you do, I'm going to do some videos later to help you get some. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the future.